Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice or add audio effects on the Filmora editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora application on your device. And once it is opened up, you can create any new project or open up any of your old ones from your draft. After opening up your desired project and adding your media, you will have various different options to make your edits. You can add your desired music from the audio or the add music option. And you may add various different music, sound effects, or even use AI for your desired audio. If you use the microphone, you will need to allow access and then you can proceed forward with recording your voice. After you are done recording, you will automatically see the voice effect option at the bottom right corner. You can tap on this and this will show you various different effects that you can use in order to disguise your voice. Choose any one of these that you want and then tap on the tick mark to apply your voice effect. You can also tap on any audio track and you will find this option at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on voice effect once again and choose any effect that you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change audio and add various different audio effects within your edits on Filmora. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.